In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks into Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're transitioning from another project management tool or simply looking to add a batch of tasks, this process is designed to be as smooth as possible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and type in asana.com to get started. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Login button prominently positioned at the top right corner. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. If you typically use Google to sign into your Asana account, then click on Continue with Google. You'll see a list of the Google accounts associated with your device. Select the account you use with Asana and that will swiftly log you in, eliminating the need to remember additional passwords. Once you're logged in, it's time to locate your project. On the left panel of your Asana dashboard, you'll see a list of the projects you're part of. Navigate to the project where you want to import tasks. Click on the project to have it open in the main viewing area. Now, direct your attention to the project name dropdown located at the top of the page. By clicking on it, you'll reveal a list of actions you can perform within the project. Among those options, you'll find the Import button. This is your gateway to adding tasks via a CSV file, so go ahead and click on it. The import feature supports various file types, but for our purpose, we'll be using a CSV file. Once you've clicked on Import, another prompt will appear asking you to choose the file type you'd like to use. Click on CSV, and a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer. At this point, all you need to do is locate the CSV file that contains the tasks you want to bring into Asana. When selecting your file, make sure it includes clear headings like task name, due date, and assignee. This organization will help Asana accurately map your data into the correct fields. With your file selected, Asana will guide you through the mapping process. Here, you'll confirm that the information from your CSV file is aligned with the corresponding fields in Asana. Take a moment to review the mapping to ensure accuracy, as a correctly mapped file will ensure a smoother import. And that's it. Once you're satisfied with the mapping, click to finalize the import. In just a few clicks, your tasks will populate into the project, ready for you and your team to manage. This method is efficient and saves you a significant amount of time compared to manual task entry. Thank you for watching and happy organizing with Asana.